Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am going to show you how to put a door on a curtain wall, as you can see on my previous project that I prepared. You will see that the curtain door is here and it's connected to the curtain wall. Okay, so for that, I am going to close this project so I can show you step by step on how to load and put the door in the curtain wall. Okay, so for that, I'm going to close this one, close this one, and of course, save yes. On the on this screen, you will see create new, then architectural template, and then click OK. On this level 0, we're going to make some floor like this, and example 12 by 12. Okay, then click. So we have a doors, and now we're going to choose some wall. Um, let's choose this one and make this up to level 1 and create up here and here and like this. And now another command the wall again, and for now we're going to choose this um, exterior wall and click up to this 3000. Oops. And 3000, then 2500, then close. So when you go to the 3D, you will see it will become like this, which is not correct. Okay, for that, if it will happen like this, just click the door and simply go to the project browser, or simply click this one, and this is unconnected, and put it to level 1. Also this one, again click level 1, click level 1, and click level 1. Okay, so now we're going to edit this one, and simply click this one and see see this edit type. You will see the vertical grid 830 and the horizontal grid 4 meters. So how to use this, I'm gonna show you. Just cancel first and enlarge this one. Okay, this one. So this one, click edit type, and then um, make this 2000. Of course, we choose to have mullion by rectangular. Choose this 150 and choose this 50 by 150, and the interior also choose this to 50 by 150. Click apply, and then okay. You will see that there is mullion now, and again click to edit type and the horizontal. So click this 50 by 150, and by 150 and click apply. Click OK. You see, and this one you can equal this as 1500. Click OK. Click OK. See, we can play along the distance what we need. So this one or this one. So this one we are going to edit, edit, duplicate. This is just make it live like this and click OK. Interior click none and this 2500. Click OK. So and click this one. Go to the architectural tab. Curtain grid. This and make this 2300. So that's it. And now go to level 0 and of course create this one like this and like this. And now we're going to put some doors. If you are new in creating a door on the curtain wall, you will look on this door command and you will attempt to use this. But of course, yes, it is working on the concrete wall like this and like this, but it will not work on the curtain wall. As you can see, Revit is not allowing to use a normal door for them. So what we will do is simply click this file, then open, then click this family, and go to the door folder, and you will see there's a door, curtain wall, or door, storefront, or double glass. So simply click this one, and then click open, and then continue. So we have this door family, curtain door family, and we're going to load it to the project. Good. And now go back to the 3D, and you will see that if you select this one and hit tab, you will select the system panel glaze, and again hit tab. Oops, hit tab. If you select this one, you will see that there is a door curtain wall. Okay, so again, I will. Okay, so if you select this one, you will see that the door is not here, and how to put a door in this selection is just click this file and then open family and go to the doors and select this double glass or double storefront and hit OK, and then load this to family, load this to the project. Okay, and go to 3D and select this one, hit tab and select the system panel glaze, and now you will see there is a door. See, and you see that uh, once we load this Again, hit tab and select this. You see the door is coming. Okay. And again, the door, this one, and for this one. So, okay. Now the door is visible on this drawing. Okay, guys. I hope you like it and you learned something. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you.